Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Unreal and creating a third-person project. Pick Blueprint for Speed or C++ if you need custom code. Import your character FBX, check scale and forward axis so the mesh faces +X, and assign the skeletal asset. Once done, enable necessary plugins like Control Rig and Animation for retargeting. Make sure physics assets generate, then save. These first steps ensure your character has a clean skeleton and compatible assets before you build input and animations. Next, create an animation blueprint tied to your skeleton and lay out a state machine for idle, walk, run, and jump. Configure a blend space for directional movement and tune root motion verses in place animation depending on locomotion needs. Then open the character blueprint, add a capsule, assign the skeletal mesh, and connect character movement component. Map input actions and axes in project settings and hook them to movement events. By connecting animation variables to velocity and states, you get smooth, responsive control. Finally, add a spring arm and camera to the character blueprint. Tweak arm length, lag, and rotation to achieve a tight third-person feel, and enable camera collision so it avoids clipping. Implement IK for feet, animation montages for actions, and gameplay tags for state logic to polish interactions. If animations slide or controls feel wrong, make sure the skeleton retargeting matches, verify collision capsule dimensions, and confirm root motion is enabled or disabled consistently. These fixes resolve most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.